Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Thanksgiving haul and I have a bunch of stuff. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything we got. So we went to Target, the 99, Aldi's, Vallarta, and Bed Bath & Beyond. So first we went to Target. Get out of here. First we went to Target, so I'm going to show you what I got. I did some online order, and then the rest I went inside and picked up. So for my online order, I got a meat thermometer. So it looks like this. I know the lighting kind of sucks. A 9-inch round cake pan, because I'm going to make a pumpkin spice cake. I was going to make cupcakes, but then I'm going to do a cake instead. A 10.5-inch by 15-inch turkey roaster. We're going to be hosting Thanksgiving this year, so that's why I bought all this stuff to prepare for Thanksgiving. My daughter wants to show you her ball. This is a ball she got from the 99-cent store. Also from Target, we got some chicken broth. I was looking for turkey broth, but they didn't have any. They only had chicken, vegetable, and beef. So I just got chicken broth, but we went to Aldi's, and they had turkey broth, so I grabbed one of those as well, and I'll show you that in a bit. But I do have chicken broth to make homemade gravy. 13-gallon of trash bags, 120 of them, because we ran out of trash bags. So we're gonna need trash bags for Thanksgiving with all those plates and stuff being thrown away. Target is having a 3 for $12 gift wrapping paper, so I got 3 of them, or you could do individually. They're $5. We're running low on some, so this is the first one. It's like, can you see that? Like gold. It's like a silver gold with white snowflakes. I know it's late, so it's dark. We just got home. We've been out all day. And then a snowman one. And a house one. After that, we went to the 99, and I have a lot of stuff from the 99. I was originally gonna do cupcakes instead of a cake, so I have bought these beforehand, before today. I've already used one of the patterns, so it's like a leaf, and then there's this pumpkin one, and it has like these sticks, and then there's another one right here. There's like a plaid type, and then these are the other ones that came with these. I had also got I'm dropping them. I also got some markers because I made a sign on our wall when you walk in, and it says, "What are you thankful for?" And I want everybody to write what they're thankful for on there. I got 4 of these 14-piece napkins, and then I got 5 of the 10-piece matching dessert plates. Foil banner. This give thanks balloon. And then these balloons as well. Which these don't even, the colors don't even match really good. But it's okay, we'll make it work. Some plates, they have 60 each in them. So 60 each of those. And then some cups, because I'm going to make a Thanksgiving punch. They have 45 cups each, and I got 2 of those as well. We also found this 192 value pack of forks, spoons, knives. So there's 64 forks, 64 spoons, and 64 knives, and it was $5.99. So it looks like that. I got 7 of these 2-piece foil trays, because if people want to take food home to go, they will have trays. And then I got some aluminum foil to wrap them up. I also grabbed some toilet paper. I like to grab toilet paper or toilet paper and paper towels every time I go to 99. This time I only grabbed some toilet paper. I grabbed 2 gallons of water. Grabbed 2 of these cranberry juice and 1 of this orange juice. I'm gonna use this to make the Thanksgiving punch, as well as the cider, sparkling cider. You add some Sprite in there as well. They didn't have Sprite, so I got this. It's the same thing, lemon lime soda. Any lemon lime soda. Some onions, lemon, apples, and oranges. 2 boxes of macaroni. I got 4 of these 4-piece champagne flutes. Yeah, they look like this. They're gold. I got 4 of those. AA batteries. My daughter wanted these SpongeBob pencils, so she got these. And we got a white and yellow tablecloth. I wanted to do like an orange color or something, gold, but they didn't have any, so I just got these. Cranberries. Got some mustard, mayo, and some barbecue sauce. 2 things of honey, some olive oil, thing of salt. What the heck is some teriyaki sauce, 2 things of vanilla extract,
2 clamatos, 1 spicy, 1 regular, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have a little touch.
2 onion powders because I have no more, 3 whole black peppercorn. That was everything from just the 99. After the 99, we went to Aldi's. Is it Aldi's or Aldi's? I don't know. I grabbed 2 things of garlic, Parmesan cheese, turkey broth, turkey stock. Grabbed some chicken nuggets for my daughter. Celery stock. I probably should have got 2, but it's okay. 2 bags of asparagus. This from Walmart. I'm gonna put the Thanksgiving punch in here. After that, we went to Target to after that we went to Vallarta. We got 5 cases of water. We got a Shasta Cherry Twist, Tiki Punch, Shasta Cola, and the apple. 2 things of potatoes, 1 of carrots, 2 pedigrees. We got a turkey and a ham, gobble till you wobble. We got a Corona and Highlight. And then we got his two clamatos, kerns, and 2 things of soy sauce. And then I'm gonna show you what's in these bags. Okay, I forgot about this Hawaiian bread. We got 5 packs of these 12 packs from Aldi's. I forgot to show this. It was in the Vallarta bag. I forgot I put it in there because they gave us an extra bag. My daughter got these, of course. We also got a gallon of milk and an 18 case of eggs. And I'm gonna show you the rest of the things we got from Vallarta. Cheesecake. Ruben's aunt is gonna make a pumpkin cheesecake and a marble cheesecake, so we just got a plain one. So I did get 2 of each, so I tried to find them fresh, but they were all out everywhere, at the 99, at Aldi's, at Vallarta. So I just went for the dry ingredient type. I'm pretty sure it worked the same. So I got 2 of the bay leaves. Two bags of thyme. Thyme. How do you say these things? I don't know. And 2 of rosemary's. Brown sugar. I actually have 1, but I need it for the ham and for the pumpkin spice cupcake, so I grabbed another bag just in case. 1 yellow cake mix to make the pumpkin spice cakes. I don't make it from scratch. I use the cake box box cake mix, but I do put the spices myself, like the cinnamon, the brown sugar, the pumpkin spice, all that stuff. I do that myself, but I do use this to save time because I'm doing a lot of things, so I can't do it by scratch. Grabbed 3 of these whipped cream frosting. I do have another one in my cabinet, so I have a total of 4 of these. Bacon, caramel drizzle syrup, whatever you want to call this. I want to put this in the cupcakes. 4 bags of 16-ounce frozen corns. So this year I did ask everybody to bring at least 1 or 2 dishes. That way it's not just me doing everything, and that way we have a lot of food for everybody to go around. So yeah, it takes a little stress off of me. The last place we went to was Bed Bath & Beyond, and this is actually a gift from my sister. She bought it for me as an early Christmas present. She got it for me early so I could use it for Thanksgiving. So the first item is a 2-piece of turkey gravy boats, and I think it's, I'm gonna show you, let's see. This is like the detail, it looks so pretty. They had a different style, but they had another style, but I wanted this one. This one's really cute, and it goes with the platter I chose. I also got the turkey platter as well. This is a 21-inch, and it's the same design. It has like the little balls. So this is what it looks like on the other side. It's pretty big. And she also wanted me to grab one for my sister-in-law, for my brother's wife, as a Christmas present. So I'm gonna wrap this up for her and put it under our tree. But hers is like a different design. It's like a different shape, and it has different designs on there. But yeah, that is everything we got for Thanksgiving today. We spent all day today shopping for all this stuff. As you can see, I still have a lot of cleaning to do around the house to get ready for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow. But yeah, so it's another day, and I did get some more stuff from another store. I went to Dollar Tree and to Target again, so I'm gonna do a quick haul on the things I got there. Target, I got these cups. It's a pink one and like a blue one. It says too soon, not yet, okay, I'm ready. And I might do this as like a Christmas gift. My daughter got some Play-Dohs from Target as well, and it has the little, what are they called, moldings. This for my daughter, these for Ruben. We went to Dollar Tree, and these are the things I got from Dollar Tree. I got 2 of these plastic tongs, 4 of these salad server sets. Obviously I'm not going to use them for salad. I'm going to use them for other things because it's a fork and a spoon, and it has like this kind of crystal design on them. So I got 4 of those. Another one of these spoon rest things. I already have a black one, but I got a silver one also. Cake server, potato masher, rainbow squishy, cotton candy. She also wanted this snowman dancer, and it says that it's solar. So I don't know, does that mean it lights up or something? It doesn't look like it lights up, but I don't know. But it's like a bobblehead.
Is all not bobblehead?
Oh, maybe that's what it means, that it sits in the sun and then it starts dancing. I don't know. Kettle corn, that way I could make like a fall mix treat. Lighter. My daughter wanted these fruit roll-ups, raisin, chocolate covered raisin. I got myself a Slim Jim that I was supposed to eat in the car ride, but I totally forgot about it. So I'll eat it now. Ranch, a set of pine cones. I have some frosted pine cones on my, ooh, these smell good. I didn't even know they were scented.
Mom, I smell them.
I did not know these were scented. I'm definitely gonna put these on my living room table because on my living room table I have like a tray with candles and a little Christmas tree and pine cones, and they're frosted, but they're not scented, and I did not know these were scented. So definitely gonna use these. Got some dish soap. I got this Frozen 2 jumbo playing cards. Got 3 hand sanitizers that I'm going to gift. So this green one is cucumber and melon. And then these pink ones are pomegranate and vanilla scented. 2 chocolate covered raisins. I got my nephew a puzzle, Mickey Mouse puzzle. Tiny little gift bag. So there's a penguin, a bear, and a reindeer. So reindeer. It says Santa. This penguin. And then this like little bear, polar bear. I want to gift these, so I'm going to take them out of their containers and gift them. So there's a green one, a blue one, and a pink one, and then this other set one. Nail art to go with it. So I got like a reddish pink color that's like glittery, a yellow, and a white. Other nail polish. This one's like pink and then a light pink. And then a dark pink with a glittery red, and a purple and green bowl, so I could put the fall treat mix in. So got this sticker story mega set for my daughter. Got another little tray that I could put something on in this bag. And I also bought 3 bags of rice. I mean, not rice, ice. And that is pretty much everything that I got today from Dollar Tree and Target. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like it. And if you want to see me cook Thanksgiving dinner and see how our Thanksgiving dinner went, you can subscribe so you can see the next video. Here's a little sneak peek of the decor. So I just put this here. I made this. I painted that myself. I had no idea where to put it, so I put it here above the sink.
Show them my dog.
I got some pumpkins here that I gotta put away. I got my little centerpiece area just up here. Got some decor here. And then this here that I was talking about, where I want people to write on what they're thankful for. That's pretty much it. I also drew this as well on a chalkboard. So it's like there, right when you walk in. You see that, see this. And then our welcome sign here. This is one I made for the apartment. That's why it says 63, because our apartment number was 63. And then I also made one for Christmas as well last year. Looks like this. I also made these. I think I made these last year. I can't remember. But I didn't get to take a picture of her last year at the pumpkin patch. I don't think we went to the pumpkin patch last year. And this year we did, but I haven't print any pictures out. So I didn't get to do this year either. I also made this. I had my sister-in-law print this out using her Cricut, and I just used a brown paper bag and put it on, and I put it in this frame. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm going to clean out our fridge so I could fit all the stuff into our fridge. Hopefully we will see how I can fit everything in. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.